Alright, so in this video I'll be explaining how to use L'Hopital's rule to compute limits. Alright, so L'Hopital rule basically states that when you're taking the limit of expression and it ends up in an indeterminate form, you just take the derivative of the top and the bottom of the fraction and then compute the limit again. So as I would say, a verbal explanation isn't enough, so I should go ahead and apply L'Hopital's rule to a problem. So let's say question asks you find the limit of ln x over x squared minus 1 as x approaches 1. Alright, so as you know, when you're taking the limit, you'll just plug in 1 for x, up to 1 for x. So ln 1 over x squared, over 1 squared, minus 1. ln 1 is 0. 1 squared minus 1 is 0. So this equation did in fact end up in indeterminate form, so we can use L'Hopital's rule. Again, L'Hopital's rule says that when a expression of a problem ends up in indeterminate form, that's when you can use L'Hopital's rule. So indeterminate forms, for example, indeterminate forms is, let's say, 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity. So in this case, we got 0 over 0, so we can use L'Hopital's rule. So to use L'Hopital's rule, all you have to do is take the derivative of the top and the derivative of the bottom. So our equation was the limit of ln x over x squared minus 1 as x approaches 1. So now, according to L'Hopital's rule, you take the derivative of the top and take the derivative of the bottom. So the limit of ln x is 1 over x. The bottom, the derivative of x squared is 2x. So now all we simply have to do is plug in 1 to the derivative of the function that we just took. So when you plug in 1 over 1 is 1. When you plug in 1 to 2, when you plug in 1 to 2x rather, is 2. So this is the limit using L'Hopital's rule.